Are you worried about your bulging stomach? Looking for an all-natural solution to shed those extra pounds? In this video, we'll share with you a recipe for a refreshing and cleansing drink that greatly enhances metabolism and as a result, significantly increases the amount of fat we burn every day.
How to lose belly fat in 3 days without exercising.
First, we will start off with two of the most important ingredients in any diet: lemon and ginger. It is important to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day, but sometimes it can be difficult to drink enough water. This is where lemon and ginger come in. The combination has been shown to help people stay hydrated by increasing their thirst, improving digestion, and reducing inflammation. To begin, wash and slice 2 medium-sized lemons. Lemon is a diuretic that flushes out the toxins that contribute to weight gain. It decreases appetite and promotes body alkalinization. It accelerates metabolism and contains a flavonoid that serves as a natural fat extractor, which aids in fat burning. Peel some ginger and cut it into thin slices. Ginger has gingerol and shogal, 2 components that increase metabolism and help the body to burn more fat and use more energy. Ginger also helps improve circulation by reducing blood pressure and relieving pain from arthritis or muscle soreness. Place everything in a pot with 500 milliliters water and bring to a boil for at least 5 minutes. For extra taste and added slimming power, add a couple of cinnamon sticks and boil for another 5 minutes. Cinnamon is known to enhance metabolism, control blood sugar levels, and improve insulin function, all of which can help you lose weight. Remove the pot from the heat. Allow it to cool. Pour the tea through a strainer into a pitcher to remove the solids. To maximize its fat-burning effects, consume 1 cup of this tea in the morning and another cup at night or after dinner. This extremely slimming drink aids in the removal of toxins from the body as well as the reduction of fluid retention. To achieve the best outcomes and reduce weight in the most effective and healthy way possible. Remember to combine it with exercise, a nutritious diet, and a healthy lifestyle. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about achieving a healthy body and mind. Click the like button to let us know if you found the video helpful. Please leave a comment if there are any more topics you'd want us to cover. Thank you for watching, and remember to always be awesome.